Looking for an easy speaker upgrade without the hassle? Today, we're diving into the top 5 best coaxial car speakers for easy upgrades. Perfect for improving your sound quality quickly, affordably, and with minimal installation effort. Let's jump right into it. First up, we have the Boss Audio Systems CH6530 Chaos Series 6.5-inch coaxial speakers. If you're on a tight budget but want a noticeable sound upgrade, these speakers deliver. Rated at 150 watts RMS and 300 watts peak, they offer strong volume capability with a lightweight poly-injection cone for crisp mids and highs. The red metallic design gives them a stylish edge too. They won't deliver deep bass without a sub, but for a basic factory replacement that's loud, clear, and affordable, the CH6530 speakers are a smart and easy swap. Next up are the JVC CSJ 626.5-inch two-way coaxial speakers. These are a go-to option for budget-conscious upgrades. With a rated power handling of 30 watts RMS and 300 watts peak, they provide solid clarity and decent mid-bass for daily driving. They use a mica cone material for good strength and responsiveness, while the integrated balanced dome tweeter ensures the highs stay clean. At only 4.9 inches mounting depth, installation is quick and hassle-free in almost any door or rear deck. For users looking for a major step up from stock speakers without spending big, JVC's CSJ 620 delivers serious value. Now for a serious performer, the ROCKFORD FOSGATE P1650 Punch 6.5-inch coaxial speakers. Designed for car audio enthusiasts who want an easy install but powerful results, the P1650 handle 55 watts RMS and 110 watts peak. They use ROCKFORD's injection-molded polypropylene cone and butyl rubber surround for excellent mid-bass punch and durability. The integrated tweeter crossover ensures smooth highs without distortion. Installation is straightforward thanks to the FlexFit basket design, making these a true plug-and-play performance upgrade. If you're chasing rich bass, crisp mids, and clean highs, all in one easy-to-install speaker, the P1650S are a fantastic choice. Next up is the KENWOOD KFC 1666 S6.5-inch two-way coaxial speaker set. These speakers offer great sound improvement with easy installation. Rated at 30 watts RMS and 300 watts peak, they bring a fuller soundstage than stock speakers with noticeable upgrades in vocal clarity and punch. The polypropylene woofer cone and balanced dome tweeter create a smooth, responsive sound across lows and highs. Their shallow mounting depth makes them ideal for older vehicles or tighter door spaces. If you're looking for a straightforward, no-stress speaker swap that instantly improves sound quality, KENWOOD's KFC 1666S is a top contender. Finally, we have the Pioneer TSF 1634 R 6.5-inch two-way coaxial speakers. Affordable, reliable, and surprisingly good at handling both lows and highs. These speakers are rated for 25 watts RMS and 200 watts peak. The lightweight woofer cones produce clear mid-bass, while the 1 to 3/16-inch balanced dome tweeter ensures vocals and high notes come through cleanly. Installation is quick with included mounting accessories, and they fit a wide range of vehicles easily. If you're looking for a low-cost upgrade that still noticeably boosts your system's performance without heavy modifications, the Pioneer TSF 1634R is a great all-around option. And that wraps up our list of the best coaxial car speakers for easy upgrade. Whether you're chasing budget-friendly clarity or a big performance leap, there's an option here for you.